Hi hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how the solution is if your add to home screen it doesn't work on your Android phone. So here the example I want to make add to home screen this uh, this Google Sheet, and then I press triple dot and then click add home to screen, and then it doesn't work because I go home and then I couldn't find uh, that file. So how doing that, you just find your Google Sheets file, press and hold and then click app info, and then here you can see other permissions. Make sure you turn on this one, so make sure it's not cross or it's not checked, so press and then click uh, always allow, and then go back and then you try one more time. It should be it already solved that you can add to home screen of your files from Google Drive or any apps. Okay, thank you. This is real. I hope it's a thank you for watching.